Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we are excited to share with you the best cooking apps for Android. If you love trying new recipes and exploring different cuisines, then these apps are perfect for you. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Cake Recipes. Cake Recipes is an application specifically designed to provide the best recipes for making cakes. In this app, users can find a wide variety of cake recipes, ranging from moist cakes, cookies, tarts, sponge cakes, and many more. Each cake recipe comes with clear step-by-step instructions that are easy to understand, allowing users to easily follow the recipe. Additionally, the app is frequently updated with the latest cake recipes, allowing users to continually try and create delicious and appetizing cakes. Cookpad. Cookpad is a highly popular application among cooking enthusiasts worldwide. This app provides thousands of recipes from various countries and food types, including main courses, desserts, snacks, and more. Each recipe has a clear and detailed description of the required ingredients, cooking steps to follow, and visual images to aid users in understanding. Additionally, Cookpad allows users to interact with a community of other users, enabling them to share recipes, tips, and tricks in cooking. Salad Recipes. Salad Recipes is an application that offers a variety of diverse and delicious salad recipes. In this app, users can find salad recipes from various types and categories, ranging from vegetable-based salads, fruit salads, pasta salads, meat salads, and more. Each recipe is accompanied by a list of necessary ingredients and clear steps to make the salad. Additionally, this app offers variations of decoration ideas and dressings for user salads. With salad recipes, users can enjoy fresh and tasty healthy dishes whenever they desire. That concludes our video on the best cooking apps for Android. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring for your culinary adventure. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.